scary. It's slick in here.
Welcome back to the channel. It's shop project, well, it's cleaning day, but in the middle of cleaning up the place, we had an idea. Jalen's here. We took our scrap in, and now he's sorting what's left over scrap. So we've got our trailer. That steel's gonna go here, and then we've got a metal barrel, and he's putting, what are you putting in that one? Aluminum goes in there, and then we'll have another barrel here. He's just got to go get it from out back, and it'll have either stainless or brass or whatever in it. So we're almost organized with it, but we took all of our scrap in, and then we got rid of over here. I know there's still a lot here. We got rid of all of our junk tires, all the old flats, tore up ones from racing, everything else. They're all gone. Everything else you see here can either be used to roll something on, or is eventually going to be put into service, or is a spare, air holding spare. But we still want to do something with that. I don't want a pile of stuff in front of the shop. This looks okay. We've got that little square thing goes under that barrel. We're going to do that today too, but that's organized. You know, our cars are fairly organized, but this is not. But I'm going to fix that now. Just had an idea, because over by the other shop we're also cleaning up. We've got a few 4x4 posts that were holding up an awning that were rotten on the bottom, and then we've got some other odds and ends of treated lumber that we had stored under that awning. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the old carpenter hat, and we're gonna make something super useful out of this pile of junk. If you're not already, consider subscribing. You know, we're doing really good with the old algorithms and stuff, but we just don't have subscribers. We got lots of views, all that good stuff. So if you'd like to, please subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much.
We also have a new TikTok account, so you can follow that. It's just Freedom One Garage.
Yeah. So Freedom One Garage on the Facebook, on the TikTok, on the Instagram, and of course right here on the tube for you. So now we can get out the claw hammer. Those 4x4s are about the same length, and we're not rocket science here. We're just building something quick and ugly to, you know, you'll see. It doesn't need to be perfect. starting to take shape.
Scary. It's slick in here.
Alright, now we just gotta put our diagonal bracing in. And we're in good shape. Hey Jay,
Yep.
stand on that side. See if we can get this. We can almost get it out. You'll have to push that way on yours to get this side down. It's gonna fight us all the way. Okay, that's all right. Good?
Yep. That did nothing.
Okay, it's probably fairly obvious to y'all now, but here's where we're at. We still have several tires and rims and things. Bang. And we're gonna move this rack under, and we'll show you when in its final resting place, but this will be under cover, so it'll be out of the sunlight, out of the rain, but outdoors, and we'll fill it up. We got bottom rack, top rack. We'll get it into its final spot, and then we'll show you, you know, in service, in on duty full, you know. The best part is, here's where all that junk was. We've got Plymouth Fury bumper there that we got to get scooched out of there, but otherwise, no more pile of junk. That makes me happy. It's that time. And we didn't quite have enough room. We've got a few extras here, a couple extras over here, some wheels stacked up on either side, but that is so much better than what we had, so I'm pleased. You know, we might have to add on or something, but you never know. We did some more cleaning. It's late. I think there's a Jimmy John's waiting for me in the house, so I'm gonna go snarf that down in about 4 bites. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time and attention to our videos. Catch you on the next one.